Hello everyone. Welcome to this episode of Bash Scripting with macOS and Unix-like operating systems. In this episode, we are going to see how to get started with the command line arguments with Bash scripting. So before getting started, I would like to explain you the concept of command line arguments in general. So now this is our command prompt, and you must have actually worked with a lot of command level applications or command line applications or even simple Linux or Unix commands. Even in Windows, there is PowerShell and we can run various commands on PowerShell. Now, if I say ls, it is going to show us the list of all the files and directories in the current directory. Now, if I say ls hyphen l, then it is going to show me everything in the list format. Ls hyphen l a. Okay, sorry, it's not a directory or a file. So la, then it is going to show me all the files and directories in the current directory. Okay, so we can actually pass various types of arguments or parameters to this command. Okay, ltrpa, and it is actually going to give us different results. So the action of passing the arguments or parameters, so that is known as command line arguments. So now ls command happens to take one or multiple arguments. So let me show you the case of multiple arguments. Ls hyphen l prog 00 dot sh, and if I hit enter, here we have the detailed listing of the file prog 00 dot sh. So here in this case there are two arguments to this command ls. So now we can also write programs that are going to accept all these command line arguments. So let us see how to do that with bash shell. So almost all the programming languages offer us the facility for the command line arguments. Total number of arguments dollar hash echo all arguments values dollar at the rate echo name of the script dollar zero echo first argument. So it is dollar one, and let's copy and paste it. Copy, paste, dollar two. So here we are showing all the number of arguments, how many arguments we have passed to that script. We can use dollar hash. Dollar at the rate will show all the arguments. Dollar zero is the name of the script or the name of the program, and we can actually show first and second argument with this. Now if I go ahead and save this, and let's go ahead and see, sorry, okay, let me save it again, how to execute this. prog11.sh, and if I hit enter now, so there are no arguments as of now whatsoever. So it says that total number of arguments equals to 0. Okay, line 4 ECH command not found. So I think that I have to correct it. Sorry, ECHO, and let's save it actually again. So I think that I made some small mistake in typing. Let's clear it. Let's run the program once again. So total number of arguments 0, all arguments value that will be blank, name of the script will be displayed, first argument and second argument are not there. So 1, 2, 3. So total number of arguments 1, all argument values 1, 2, 3. Script name, first argument is 1, 2, 3, second argument is none. Similarly, I will pass a string ASHWIN and here we have the output. So this is how we can use the command line arguments and we can actually handle them with bash shell scripting in Unix like operating systems like Mac. So thanks a lot for watching this episode. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries and comments about this episode in the comment section down below. Thanks a lot once again and I will see you next time.